Here I have VIVO Y36, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you should select language. I'll just stay with English, then tap start. Then you should select your location, like one of these countries could be Germany for me. Tap next. Then you should agree with end user license agreement, privacy terms, and e-warranty card privacy terms. Tap next. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also set up device offline and connect later. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you can switch these Google services. I suggest to turn them off. Tap accept. Then you can set up screen unlock method, but you can also just skip this step and do this later in settings, or just don't do this at all. Then you can enable automatic updates, but you can also just install updates manually. Then you have this send usage and diagnostics data, of course not. Tap next. Then you should select system navigation mode. You could use 3 buttons navigation, but I suggest you to use gesture navigation. Tap next, and device is all set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.